How to get the MEXT scholarship and study in Japan for free. Imagine living in one of the safest countries in the world. Imagine studying at top Japanese universities, completely tuition-free. No student loans, no tuition fees, free flight tickets, monthly allowances, and even health insurance, all covered. Welcome to the MEXT Scholarship, Japan's fully funded golden ticket for international students. And in this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about it. What is the MEXT Scholarship? The MEXT Scholarship, officially known as the Manbakagakusho Scholarship, is offered by the Japanese government through the Ministry of Education, Culture, Sports, Science, and Technology MEXT. This scholarship covers full tuition, accommodation, round-trip airfare, and a monthly living allowance. It's one of the most generous scholarships in the world, and every year, thousands of students from around the globe apply for it to pursue their bachelor's, master's, PhD, or specialized training in Japan. Types of MEXT scholarships. There are different types of MEXT scholarships, and each has a specific target audience. The most popular ones include undergraduate scholarship for high school graduates who want to pursue a bachelor's degree. In Japan, research scholarship graduate, PhD, for those with a bachelor's degree who want to pursue a master's or doctoral degree. Teacher training scholarship for teachers seeking to further develop their skills. College of Technology and Specialized Training College scholarships for those interested in technical and vocational education. Today, we'll focus mainly on the undergraduate and research graduate scholarships, the ones most international students apply for. Benefits. What does MEXT cover? This is what makes MEXT stand out. Full tuition coverage. You won't pay a single yen in school fees. Round-trip airfare. MEXT flies you to Japan and back home when your program ends. Monthly stipend. Around 117,000 yuan, 145,000 yuan, about $800, $1,000 USD, depending on your level of study and location. Health insurance. You're automatically enrolled in Japan's national health insurance. Language training. If you don't speak Japanese, you'll receive a 6-month language preparatory course before starting your main program. It's not just a scholarship, it's a full ride to academic and cultural immersion in one of the world's most respected education systems. Who can apply? MEXT eligibility criteria. Eligibility varies slightly depending on the category, but here are the general requirements. For undergraduate applicants, must be under 25 years old, must have completed 12 years of school education, or be expected to graduate before departure, must be in good physical and mental health, must be willing to learn Japanese, must apply through the Japanese embassy in your country. For graduate applicants, research, PhD, must be under 35 years old, must have a bachelor's degree or be graduating soon. Must submit a well-thought-out research proposal, should contact and receive an informal acceptance from a Japanese university professor. In many cases, tip. The application process is very competitive, so meeting the minimum requirements is not enough. Strong academic records and a clear, purposeful motivation are essential. 2 ways to apply for MEXT. There are 2 main ways to apply for the MEXT scholarship. 1. Embassy recommendation. Most common. This is the most popular route and is available in almost every country. You apply through the Japanese embassy or consulate. In your home country, you submit all required documents and undergo exams and interviews organized by the embassy. If you pass the screening, the embassy forwards your documents to Japanese universities. You may be placed in a language school for 6 months before starting your degree. Embassy recommendation is highly respected. If you get selected, your chances of final admission are extremely high. 2. University recommendation. This route, you apply directly to a Japanese university that offers MEXT slots. Usually available only to graduate students, you submit your research plan and documents directly to the university. The university selects you and then nominates you to MEXT. This route is more competitive and limited in scope, but faster for some programs. Each university has its own deadlines, so it's crucial to stay updated. Application timeline. Embassy Let's look at the general timeline for the embassy recommendation, which starts 1 year before your intended departure. April-May, application opens via the Japanese embassy website in your country. June-July, written exams and interviews math, English, Japanese. Subjects depend on your chosen major. August-September, preliminary results announced. October-December, apply to Japanese universities with your embassy nomination. January-February, final selection by MEXT. April or October next year, depart to Japan. So if you want to study in Japan in 2026, your application starts around April or May 2025. Documents required. Here's what you'll typically need: application form, academic transcripts, graduation certificate, or proof of expected graduation, passport or ID, personal statement, why you want to study in Japan, medical certificate, research proposal for graduate students, recommendation. Let us make sure your documents are clear, translated into English or Japanese if needed, and properly stamped. Any carelessness here can ruin your chances. Tips for a successful application. Now here's the part where many fail. Strategy: start early. The process is long. Don't wait for the deadline. Be specific. Your personal statement should clearly explain your goals and why Japan is the perfect place to achieve them. Ace the exams. Practice past MEXT test papers. You can find them online. Choose your major carefully. It should align with your academic background. For graduate students, your research plan must be sharp, practical, and relevant to Japanese research interests. Contact professors early. If applying via university recommendation or graduate track, this is essential. Lastly, follow instructions exactly. The MEXT process is very detailed and bureaucratic. One missing stamp or late document can disqualify you. Life after winning the scholarship. What happens after you win? You'll either begin with a 6-month Japanese language program or go directly into your degree program. You'll be treated like a regular student, attending lectures, joining clubs, and maybe even working a part-time job. And the best part? Once you graduate, you'll be eligible for a work visa in Japan or apply for internships with major Japanese companies. Many MEXT alumni go on to build amazing careers in Japan or globally. Is MEXT worth it? The answer is a big yes. If you're ready to put in the work. It's highly competitive. It's intense, but it's also life-changing. A fully funded education, cultural immersion, career connections, and a chance to live in one of the most organized, innovative, and peaceful countries in the world. So, what's stopping you? If studying in Japan has ever crossed your mind, this is your moment. Start preparing now. Visit your local Japanese embassy's website. Check if you're eligible. Begin writing your statement and gathering documents. The MEXT scholarship is not just a scholarship. It's a doorway to opportunity, global exposure, and lifelong memories. Your Japan story can begin today. All it takes is that first step. Don't just dream it, apply for it. Japan is waiting. Have questions about the video or need clarity? Book a one-on-one session. Full information in the description box.